Starbucks decided to offer sous vide egg bites to our customers so that they could have a breadless, lighter option that is also packed with protein. So we have several kinds of sous vide egg bites to choose from.
Sous vide is an innovative cooking technique that involves often vacuum sealing food and then slow cooking it in water at a constant, precise temperature until it's almost perfectly cooked. This means that you can control the temperature to within 1/10 of a degree and allows you to get consistency with color, texture, and flavor, which we can see visibly here just looking at this one sample of egg bites. Really, really cool. Also neat to think about sous vide versus other more traditional cooking techniques like oven or stovetop, where the temperature is going to vary a little bit more and you might not get the same end result. So again, interesting to think about the comparisons between all those different methods when looking at a result like this.
We hope you enjoyed this option. Thanks for watching.